Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link eFootball to Google Play. So before I do that, please click on the subscribe button and also it really helps a lot. So first thing you have to do in order to link your eFootball to your Play is actually open up the eFootball app and click on it. So wait, it really takes a lot of time, little bit of time though, to actually open up if you are a user. So you actually need a very strong internet connection. So let's wait for it as it load up. So the first thing you have to do is click on extracts. You can see extract right there. And once you click on extract, you click on support and you click on link data, and you can see you can link your current save data. By linking your data, you'll be able to continue playing on the account even if you switch devices at a time. So what you need to do is link using your Google Play. So I'll click on that, and to transfer your link data to a new device, tap the menu icon in the title screen and choose data. Click OK, and okay, you go back and click on data. Okay, try to look for where the data is. Okay, go back and okay, so it's been linked already. So you can see written linked. So let me show you. You can see linked already. So after doing that, you can now go back to your Play, Google Play, not your Google Play Store. Bear in mind, see the Play I'm talking about, the Play Games Google, the Google version. You understand? So once you go there and you really want to confirm that your account have been linked, click on profile. And okay, before then, let me show you how to actually get the Google Play. Go to your Google Play Store and search for Google Play, right? And you're going to see right here. So you can see this is the Google Play games talking about. So you go back to the app and you click on profile, click on the three horizontal line you can see above your screen. Click on settings, and what you do is you can see your data right here. So this is where you're going to actually click on delete play and account. So this is all the accounts, all the games your phone have been linked to. So you can see you have one here, meaning you have actually linked your account. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.